Hello, I'm Jamie with Love of the Magic Vacations, and today we're visiting Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge Resort, one of Disney World's 11 deluxe resorts and villas. This resort is located near Animal Kingdom. Animal Kingdom Lodge offers an unforgettable experience that blends African-inspired architecture with the magic of Disney. This unique resort allows guests to immerse themselves in the sights and sounds of the African savanna right from the comfort of their rooms. The resort is broken down into two large buildings, Jambo House, which is the main building, and Kidani Village, which offers villas and suites. In today's tour, we'll be seeing one of the themed rooms with two queen beds. This room sleeps up to 4 guests. Most standard rooms include 2 queen beds, but guests can also request a king bed instead of the 2 queens. We'll also be looking around at some of the resort's amenities that it has to offer. First, let's take a look at one of the rooms. When you're comparing rooms at this resort, there are a number of options to choose from, including rooms with club-level access, 1 and 2 bedroom suites, and the standard resort rooms like the one we're touring today. Resort rooms offer 3 different views. Resort View will have views of rooftops and parking lots, the Water View, which will have views of one of the pools, or Savannah View, which will offer you a unique view of the savannah on property, including the animals. The room size and features remain the same with each view. If you're staying at Animal Kingdom Lodge, ideally you would be in the Savannah View, as the animals right there in your backyard are what Animal Kingdom Lodge is all about. Each room has a separate shower and toilet area, leaving the vanity with 2 sinks open for others to continue getting ready. This is a great feature for families who are simultaneously preparing for their Disney adventures. As with all deluxe resort, you're also provided with Disney's specialty bath products in the bathroom. The coffee bar is equipped with a single-serve Keurig and all the makings for your morning coffee or tea, as well as a mini beverage cooler. You should note that the beverage cooler is not cold like a refrigerator, but only cool to chill your drinks. The room offers a complete closet with hangers, shelves, a luggage rack, extra bedding, and a safe. Along with under the bed storage, there is plenty of space to organize your belongings. One of the most unique features of this resort is the animal viewing opportunities you'll get to encounter during your stay. You can enjoy wildlife viewing from various vantage points around the resort, including observation platforms where sometimes they offer you night vision goggles. There are also plenty of cast members that are animal experts that are available to help give you extra information and facts about the animals and their habitats. There are 2 pools and a splash pad located at Animal Kingdom Resort. Uzima Pool is located at Jambo House. This large pool offers 0 entry along with a water slide surrounded by lush landscaping. And the Samawati Springs Pool is located at Kidani Village and also offers a slide and fun splash pad area. Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge offers an exceptional culinary experience, drawing inspiration from the diverse and vibrant flavors of Africa. The signature dining offered at Animal Kingdom Lodge is Jiko, the cooking place, which offers oak-grilled filet mignon, Botswana-style beef short rib, and fire-roasted shrimp, to name a few of the meals they offer. Boma, one of my favorites, is African-inspired food open for breakfast and dinner. Sanaa over at Kidani Village is a restaurant offering African plates with Indian influence. One of the can't-miss starter items is their bread service, which includes a variety of naan-breads and 9 different accompaniment options. Don't forget to ask your server for the secret number 10 sauce. And also have a drink before or after at Victoria Falls Lounge located in Jambo House. If you'd like to learn more about Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge, make sure to read our blog linked in the notes. Did you enjoy this video? Like and subscribe to see more of our resort tours and cruise ship videos. Ready to plan your next magical Disney World vacation? We'll happily send you a free quote and help you decide which resort and room are best for your next adventure. Use the link in the notes to request your free, no obligation quote today.